Hello, my name is Phil Spencer and welcome to our Toolbox Tips series designed especially for the man on the tools. Today we will be looking at a product from our MAGMA range of reinstatement and surfacing materials, the MagmaLine R110 preformed thermoplastic line. Tools required for application: a stiff broom, a sharp standing knife, and a gas torch complete with regulator and bottle. Preparation: all surfaces must be dry and free from oil, grease, petrol, waxes and loosely adhered materials prior to application. Lay the strip of MagmaLine onto the surface and cut to length by scoring with a sharp knife and gently bending back to snap clean. If the surface is new or weathered asphalt, lightly preheat the surface using the gas torch. If the surface is new concrete, it should be left to cure for a period of 3 months minimum. Always use MEON Protect Aerosol Primer or MEON Uniprime X450 to improve adhesion to a concrete substrate. Application: place the strip into position and use the gas torch to heat. It is very important to adjust the temperature setting on the torch so the flame is not too fierce. Ideal temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. Go over the MagmaLine in a pendulum motion, holding the torch no closer than 150 millimeters to the strip. Avoid holding the torch in one place as it will cause the product to scorch. You will notice the product begin to shrink and melt into the profiles of the surface. The MagmaLine strip can be trafficked after 10 minutes. If you want to know more about our MagmaLine R110, you can find additional technical data including performance, strength and quality information within our technical data sheet. If you're interested in using the MagmaLine R110, please get in touch by calling 02392 200 606 or check the website on www.meonuk.com. Follow the link in the description to our website for all the downloadable resources. Thanks for watching and keep your eyes open for more Toolbox tips coming soon. Thank you.